Hey planty friends, welcome back to another new video. Today we're gonna go out and do some planty chores. Now there is a lot to do. I want to propagate a lot of plants like some golden pothos, some neon pothos, a Tradescantia, and some other good ones as well. I want to go and I don't even know if I said I want to repot some plants, because there's some plants I need to go ahead and repot. There's some plants I want to go and treat for mealybugs, and I want to try this new solution that this amazing girly at Corpus Christi. She has an adorable shop called Planted at Corpus, and she gave me this amazing solution that honestly spilled by accident, but there's still quite an amount left in the container, and I want to go ahead and use it to like shine some leaves. It says that it shines the leaves as well, it fertilizes them, so we're going to try it out. Once that finishes, because I feel like it's gonna go by really quickly, I want to go make my own mixture of neem oil with some Mayer's soap, like some dish soap and water. So a lot of things to do, very overwhelmed. I just want to shut down, but I gotta get to work and I gotta take care of these plants. So let's just get to it. Hey ducky, so we're outside now. I want to go ahead and propagate this. I want to give it a haircut because it's getting way too long. So I take around my manjulu pothos in the bottom, and also when you chop it, it gets more bushy on top. And also, like, I love this plant so much, so I want to go ahead and make some more. So I got my scissors, my bucket to put the cuttings inside, and let's just get cutting. And that's a pretty good haircut. And that should help make it more bushy. And I got a bunch of more cuttings to make more plants. It's a beautiful day outside and it smells like carne asada, and it's making me so hungry. But here is the Tradescantia. Now, yes, it looks to some people really bad, but for me, this will get even more bushy since we chopped it, and it's going to promote more growth on top, which is what I want. I want to see more acá arriba and a little bit para acá. And then my manjula pothos is going to get more light, which is, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a lot more happy. So that makes me super duper happy. We'd love to propagate this, but I got to stop propagating a lot of things. I do want this to go down. That'll be really nice. So yes, and I also want to go ahead and clean some leaves. I want to clean this silver sword. It has a lot of hard water stains. And I want to get another plant. I want to get this one that needs some leaf cleaning as well, and also needs to get repotted on a nice terracotta pot. So yes. One more thing. This is my Baltic blue. Looks really bad. It's because it keeps drying out, so I'm gonna go ahead and repot it on a bigger pot and also remove the yellow leaves. And there's another plant that has some yellow leaves that I want to go ahead and also clean up, but I'm gonna close this door for now. And let me show you guys something. So over here, I just finished bottom watering both these plants, the spider plant and this other one. So I think it's Monstera Sotipicana. I think so. It's a beautiful vining plant, but it has a lot of yellow leaves, and this is one of the plants that did not look so good from the Corpus trip. That's literally just so getting burned out. But yes, we're gonna go ahead and clean the leaves. So yay. It is 4 days or 5 days ahead. I already placed the plants where they belong. I also ended up redoing a little bit of the plants on the ceiling. And we're just gonna go wrap this video up. Oh my god, oh my god. Let me show you guys how it looks. Hey baby! My little baby! My little baby! Okay, so this is how it looks. Yes, queen. I just recently added this mic-ins right now. I mean, I had it for a while. It was outside, but it was missing something. So I decided to place the mic-ins in this little cash pot. This is how I water my plants. Either if they're on hangers, like the Costa Farm hangers, I just like unhook them and I just literally bottom water them. They usually can last a pretty long time in the ceiling. And the hooks, I always get questions. They're literally from Walmart, you guys. The white ones came with these macrame hangers that I got from Amazon. Just literally search up macrame hangers on Amazon, and like there's like, it's literally the first one, and they have some, it's for a really good deal. I can't say the price because of the Amazon policies, but it's a really great price, and you get the hooks for free. The brown ones are from Walmart. If you saw yesterday's video, you would remember at the end that I showed y'all the ones that I got. And yeah, and some of the plants like that one, this one, and this one, and the neon pothos and my Brazil plants that are really annoying to like water or always need water all the time. They have their own little cash pot so they can remain moist for a long period of time. And yeah, I also ended up moving this Tradescantia para acá. Golden pothos, this one was in my bedroom, but I decided to place it in the living room just to give it a more of a jungle vibe look, because I'm loving it right now. I got my string of hearts. That was in the plants room. I placed it over here because I feel like she's like a cute little statement on the 3 lamps that I got from Walmart. It's a 3-head lamp. Just one, but it's 3 heads. I got it from Walmart. People are asking, so there you go. And I kind of like it. It's like the jungle's like taken over. It's super cute. I love the vibe. And what else can I show y'all? Vanilla has still been really feisty. Diva. Here's a Monstera Peru. And well, I'm saying that because like the same material that I cleaned the leaves with. And this is the aftermath. It looks so beautiful. Here's a silver sword. It just unfurled its new leaf. And the bottle that I used it, like I already told you, it's from Corpus Christi. If you're in Corpus Christi, her shop is called Planted CCTX, which is Planted Corpus Christi, Texas. Sorry. And she has like, just walk in and like ask, hey, can I the leaf shiner, and she'll literally give it to you. Like I think it's called leaf shiner mixture. It's really good. It spilled when I was like unpacking my stuff on Corpus, sadly, but I still kept a little bit, and I already finished it, like cleaning my Monstera Peru, and some of the plants, which I'm gonna show you right now. But yes, as you can see, it makes a beautiful shine. Love it, and he likes it too. And on this table, I sadly removed the flowers because like, pues ya no estaban bien, like they were not good anymore, so they went to the trash. And I rearranged this little cute setup. I kind of like it. It's like a really a cute little jungle moment. I don't know. So we have a money tree, agluminia, bird's nest fern, then it's a little bit of cleaning, lemon lime philodendron in the Baltic blue that we just repotted. Lovely. And some sansevierias. I think it's called starfish sansevieria, and some air plants around the coffee table. And this cute little basket, I also just got it from Marshall. I think it was $30. I already had the blankets, but I think it looks, oh my god, I think it looks really cute. Like, oh my god, it's just, I'm trying to, hey, this one fell. I'm trying to create a really cute, cozy vibe in my apartment with the plants and like just the aesthetic. I don't really have an aesthetic, but I'm trying to make it look super duper cute. But this is how it all looks, you guys. The balcony está para acá. I might give the gardenia to my mom, which is the white flower one. I love that plant so goddamn much, but it's dropping its blooms, and I think it wants more light. The sun changed in the winter and fall. I get a lot of light in my apartment because of the sun. It goes like this, but now that it's, you know, literally spring and summer, it's gonna go más arriba, so I don't get enough light over here. So sadly, she might go. Really sad, but my petunias are blooming like crazy. Y'all see this? Also, look at my Hoya. Like, she's just putting out leaf after leaf. Beautiful. And this looks really empty because I'm trying to slowly empty it out. I want to change the entire setup. I know some people are gonna get really sad. Is that what I think it is? It finally pushed out new leaves. My calendarians. Okay, that's really fun. I have another one, but Girl, it's a mess in here. I gotta go and find it. That's exciting though. Wait, no, let me go and show you guys. Ay! Here's a hydrangea. See, y'all see some beautiful pictures on Instagram, but this is real life. Like, up and close and personal, you can see the dead leaves. Let me see if I can get it. Oh, Dios mío. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I got the bulbs from Lowe's, but I like to reuse my pots, so yes, it's not really 14. It literally says agglominium. This girl's just getting like super leggy. Manjula pothos looking amazing. But yes, I'm slowly emptying this out because I want to change the entire setup. And the balcony. Here are the potatoes. They got a little bit bigger. And I guess remember as I was editing, I saw like in the beginning clips, and like they were like so tiny, and now they're so big. The violin plants are super duper cute. The Tradescantia, they're so propagating. But yes, that's how it is. And oh my god, look at this one too. It's putting out so many new leaves. I'm literally so excited. And that is basically it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's Houseplant Chores video. Yes, baby, you want to say something, my love? You want to say something, my baby? Yes, my love. So I'm kind of stressed out a little bit because like I'm gonna go right now. It's been a journey trying to get a vehicle, and it's no. He's going to the plants. I placed some plants in the oh my god. You can turn it off the dryer audio, but I like to leave it on. So it reminds me that there's clothing in there because now I get super duper lazy. So that reminds me a lot. But I'm gonna get a used car today. Owner by owner, my mom's his friend. A little bit stressed out because like I'm not in the mood to make more big purchases, but it is necessary a vehicle, and it is for a really really good deal. So you gotta take advantage of some blessings. I don't even know that's the thing. But that's basically, you guys. Hope you all enjoyed. I think it was pretty fun. So there's just so much to do. Like literally this spring, it's getting warm here, y'all, and the light's coming in more. Oh, I have the AC on, and then the fans. The plants are drying out like crazy. They're drying out so goddamn fast. I'm also guessing because they're starting to like grow, so they're using more water from their soil, because some were dormant because of fall and winter. But they're starting to like get crazy. It's getting crazy here, girl. I mean, I'm literally using gallons of water now to water my plants almost daily. It's insane, but it's the life of a plant enthusiast. I love my plants, but I don't like taking care of them, so it's a complicated relationship. So here's Valentino. Come here, baby. Come here, my little baby. Look. You so handsome, baby. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for joining us. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye. He's gonna want to get in that window. There's plants in the window now. I'm sorry I took your spot. You're gonna find a way anyways, huh? You gotta figure that out.